and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to create a project. If your permissions are in order, you should see an Add button next to Projects under the Manage section of the main menu. If you do not see this section or this Add button but think you should, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Clicking Add will take you to a project creation wizard. Select an owning team, enter a name and, optionally, a description. And if need be, you can set an expiration date and/or maximums for virtual machines, CPU, and so on. And finally, click Create Project. And there you have it. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Arcus Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, arcus-cloud.io/kb. And if you have more questions or if you're stuck, please get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@arcus-cloud.io. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.